I would like to begin by thanking both EASA and the Danish Civil Aviation Authority for their dedicated work on organizing this event. Furthermore, I would like to acknowledge EASA's hard work and dedication to aviation safety in Europe. I'm delighted to welcome you here in Copenhagen, and I hope you will have an inspiring conference. The Danish presidency takes place at a crucial moment for the EU. A new reality dawns upon Europe. A reality with more uncertainty, a rising level of conflict, and not least global strategic and economic competition. This sets high standards for the EU when it comes to standing on its own. Therefore, the Danish presidency strives for a strong Europe in a changing world, where we take responsibility for our own security. It calls for action from all involved actors. We must cooperate to achieve results for the benefit of all in the aviation sector. Aviation plays a vital role in our transport system. It enhances our mobility, drives economic development, and keeps us connected across Europe and around the world. European collaboration in the field of civil aviation is a story of great success. It has contributed to establish a well-functioning aviation sector in Europe that operates in a reliable, efficient, and safe manner. Today, we are reaping the fruits of the mobility that the aviation sector provides. However, the success of yesterday is no guarantee for the future. The world is changing, and so must we. The green transition of the aviation sector, as well as technological advancements, present new safety risks that I hope all of you here will help mitigate. Technological advancements also represent new possibilities. We must look into how we can leverage these advancements to make safety more simple. We must be aware that new technology may enable simpler rules in a way that can support the competitiveness of the European aviation sector. A little over a year ago, the Draghi report was published. It pointed out that we must give consideration to the regulatory burdens which are imposed on European industry in order not to curb innovation and economic development. If the report is going to be more than just words, all lawmakers in the EU must be aware of the burdens that rules can imply, and we must ensure that the added value of regulation is proportionate to these burdens. Legislators must find solutions to ensure that European companies and citizens do not get lost in overly complex rules. Therefore, we should strive for reliable and simple terms also for green solutions. The Danish presidency has a strong focus on securing a competitive and green Europe, where strengthening the EU's competitiveness goes hand in hand with the green transition. At last, I will address new challenges emerging from the changing security landscape in Europe. Here, matters of security become safety risks. For the Danish presidency, the resilience of the European Union is a matter of great concern. The civil aviation industry is an industry that faces new hybrid threats. Today, risk emerge from the deliberate actions of hostile actors. An example of this is the jamming and spoofing of navigation satellite systems. Such incidents pose a safety risk to an otherwise reliable and safe infrastructure. This underlines the need for ground-based systems that can provide backup and ensure the resilience when satellite signals are disrupted or compromised. Going forward, all relevant aviation stakeholders must work together to be able to monitor, anticipate, and mitigate these new types of risks that challenge the safety of European civil aviation. Our response to these risks must be foresight and resilience. Through timely action, cooperation, and a shared understanding of the threats we face, we can safeguard and ensure the resilience of the civil aviation industry in the future. Thanks to all of you, regulators, manufacturers, operators, airports, associations, and researchers. Together, we have created a safe and efficient aviation sector in Europe. Together, we will tackle the challenges of aviation safety to ensure that we, in the future, will have a safe and even more efficient aviation sector. Thank you for your attention. I hope you will enjoy the conference and you stay here in Copenhagen, and I hope that this conference will offer fruitful discussions on these ever more important issues. Thank you.